Good morning, guys. This is Jonathan with One Big Impact. So really quick, I want to go through a few things. This video is going to be how to flip or mirror your image on a Logitech webcam c922 and or also any other webcam that you have. What I mean by that is when you are looking at your computer screen and you have the original webcam that came like integrated into your device, it will show you in an image, and if you turn your head, lean your head to the left, your head will lean to the left. If you lean your head to the right, it will lean to the right. For some reason, aftermarket webcams are not doing that, and they are also not providing you with a software in which you can literally just push mirror and view yourself in an image just like your cell phone would take on a selfie or anything like that. So what's happening is you're having to look at yourself in a image that other people see you, and we never see ourselves that way, and it is driving me absolutely nuts. Today's video is going to show you the only possible workaround that I have found. Okay, so this is taking me weeks to figure this out, okay, and I know that seems like a lot, but it has been consuming me. So first of all, I have called Logitech. They do not have answers. I have done Logi Options as a download. I have done Logitune as a download. I have checked all of the settings in my computer, in my laptop, in my desktop, everywhere, okay? So there is no option for some reason with these cameras to be able to flip like horizontally or whatever it is to where you can see yourself just like you would in a selfie. I look at the camera while I'm videoing and I don't want to see myself like that. It's just weird, okay? Everything behind me is reversed and everything, and it drives me insane. So here's the workaround, okay? We got this application called OBS Studio. You can see me clicking it here, and you can look at, I'll try to put a link in the description below, but you can just put in OBS Studio, and this is what it looks like, okay? Now you can see on the right hand side over here, this is what it shows me like. Now I am like, this is what it shows me as in the regular camera setup without being able to flip it. So if you can see, if I turn my head or lean my head to the right, it goes to the left. This is the image that I have perfected over here. Okay, and how you do that is you right click the image and then you go down here to, I forget which one it was, hold on, transform, and then you flip, nope, wrong way, where are we at, transition, transform, and then flip vertical again, and then you flip horizontal. So that is me going to the right hand side and it's pushing my head to the left. You may not be able to see that in the video because I think in the video it changes it, but if you're looking at it in person, it is showing me that thing over there behind the wrong shoulder, and I don't know, it just drives me nuts. So again, to fix that, we go here to transform and we flip horizontal. Now the fact that let me center this a little bit better. I put something on there now. The fact that I have two screens here was the next thing that drove me freaking nuts. Okay, so how I figured that out to get rid of that is to right click again, and you put full screen projector view. HP all-in-one is my computer, and then it's there. Now I could take a video, and the freaking thing is on the correct side. Now I know for some people that may not seem like a big deal, okay, and I don't know how people are functioning with that, and I don't know what it is, but I figured out a workaround, okay? And if you see it up there in the top left hand corner, OBS Studio 29.0, blah 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 blah, I do not fully understand this software yet, okay? And it has taken me just a little while to be able to get rid of that. You will have like a preview window that'll pop up, and just push to get rid of it or something like that. You'll have to play with the settings and stuff like that. So I hope that information helps you. If you guys have any questions, ask. If you know an easy workaround where I don't have to, I don't have to go to this software, that would be really amazing, because I do think this software probably has some uses, but I'll be 100,000% honest with you. I don't give a flying shit about a bunch of settings and everything like that. I just want to view myself and make videos. I may get into the settings and stuff like that later. I'll probably learn a little bit about this software and maybe go on YouTube and stuff. But for now, I really hope that information helps you. The Logitech camera is great, and if you see, I'm sure if I close my window, it's super bright, it's going to be a much better view. And I still can't stare at myself like that. I don't know what it is. It's driving me insane. But right there, it's actually a pretty decent view. I need to probably clean the camera but it's a pretty good view. I hope that information helps you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'm just really thankful that I finally figured this out. Please like and comment. Have a good day, guys.